All right, we're going to take a leisurely cruise in a 1978 Pontiac Firebird. This one's Sundance Yellow. It's got the bird on the hood, but it's a little light under the hood. This one's got the 231 3.8 liter Buick V6 in it. It's a base motor actually for the Firebird, but a cruiser, man. Automatic transmission, 3-speed automatic. It's got tilt steering wheel, air conditioning. It was Van Nuys built, still got the blue license plates on there, California plates, so it's been here its whole life, rust free and everything. Just kind of been kept up over the years. Power steering, power disc brakes, kind of standard for the 70s. Still has its California smog on it. Smog legal.
Nice and quiet.
Yeah, just a cruiser, huh?
Oh yeah, yeah. Drives good.
It's got PMD rallies on there. Quiet, can't even hear it run.
Oh yeah.
Stock exhaust,
yeah.
Catalytic converter.
Decent headers.
You could do some stuff to the motor if you want. I've seen these guys, you know, obviously the 3.8 liter Buick V6 is the one, like the Grand National had that motor in it. You could put turbo on it and do some stuff, but right now this is a car that if you wanted to just drive, probably decent gas mileage, give it to your kid or your wife to drive. Not much to think about, just put it in gear and go.
Yeah, it'd be a fun little car to take to high school or something.
Yeah, there you go. Still got the look. Or take the motor out and stick an LS motor or something in it.
Oh yeah.
It's cheap for the look that you get. All right, here we go. We'll take some pictures. Here's a unique one, a 1978 Pontiac Firebird. Everybody's used to the Trans Am, but this is a Firebird with a V6 in it. 231, 3.8 liter Buick V6. That's what Pontiac decided to put in these cars back then. This one's a Van Nuys built car. Original blue California license plates. For you people out of state, Van Nuys is in California. So that's where it was built, right up the street. Really cool looking car. It's got the PMD rallies. If you saw this thing going up the street, you would guess that it had a V8 in it, but it doesn't. Lots of options though. It's got automatic transmission, 3-speed. It's got tilt steering, power steering, disc brakes. It's got an aftermarket AM/FM cassette player in there, but the original radio's in the trunk if you're one of those originality people. Personally, I think I'd put a Bluetooth stereo in it, but it's got the bird on the hood. What's nice, everything's available for this car. If you want to redo graphics or anything, you know, you can. You can put a V8 in this thing. The only stumbling block in California is you got to get it approved so you can smog it, but and this passes smog, still has the air pump on it, California air pump, and it actually runs really good, you know. It's got all the options you'd want. Interior is real nice, you know, seats have been redone, upholstery overall is in good condition, no cracks in the dash. Pretty cool looking little hot rod. Not real fast, but boy, it's quiet and it's a cruiser. Buzz right along on a freeway with it. And it's half the price of a Trans Am. All right, here's the power plant in the Firebird. As I mentioned earlier, 231 Buick V6, 3.8 liter. Carbureted, it's got power steering, power disc brakes, looks like it's got a newer master cylinder on there. There's the smog pump, passes emissions. All the original stickers and everything where they're supposed to be. An air cleaner and all that. Air conditioning compressor. Go ahead and fire this one up for you. There it is. It purrs like a kitten. A good little engine. So you know they put this engine in a lot of different cars. You know, the 3.8 liter. Used it for years, so tried and true. Not much to listen to out the back, but it's just a, you know, stock muffler, stock exhaust, stock car. Some people prefer that. Runs good though. If you want to see this car in person, come out and visit us at California Cars. We're in Simi Valley, California, 2158 Union Place, Suite C. My name is Rich. I can help you, or if I'm not here, you can speak to Gary. We'd be happy to show you the car. Thanks for watching.